Welcome to our complete guide on how to enable No Limit Story on Snapchat. Let's walk through the steps to add a snap to your story without any time restrictions. To get started, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, capture a new snap by tapping the capture button or selecting a photo from your phone's gallery. Next, look for the timer icon on the right side of the screen and tap on it to access the timer settings. Now choose No Limit from the timer options available. This setting will ensure that your snap added to your story will not disappear after a certain time. After selecting the No Limit option, tap the timer icon at the top right corner of the screen to confirm your choice. To finalize the process, add your snap to your story by tapping the Stories option. Your snap will now be shared on your story without any time constraints, allowing your friends and followers to view it for as long as they like. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily enable No Limit Story on Snapchat and enhance your storytelling experience on the platform. Share your moments without worrying about them disappearing and engage with your audience in a more lasting way. Thank you for tuning in, and happy storytelling on Snapchat.